Hello guys, Marion TV. So featuring pang negosyong refrigerator, Panasonic. Ayan, 9.4 cubic feet direct cooling inverter. Of course, with 5-star rating, so napakatipid sa kuryente. 12-year compressor warranty and then Japan quality plus 3 years parts and labor. Ayan, so napakaganda. So check natin yung freezer capacity niya. So ayan, napakalaki ng freezer, ideal for business purposes with turbo freezing. Ayan. So, just in case mawalan kayo ng kuryente bigla, hindi agad mauluso yung mga yellow or ano bang nilagay nyo sa freezer. At the same time, ito yung fridge. Ayan, so naka-wire shelves po siya sa mga debote. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 door basket and then may lagay ng itlog kompleto. Ayan, manual. At the same time, meron siyang turbo cooling. Ayan, with deodorizer, saka antibacterial na yan. With LED light. So, ayan guys, 80 watts lang po ito ha. So, napakatipid sa kuryente. So, follow me for more, Marion TV.